Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Bookshop Management System. So we got many of the requests from different students that they need a bookshop management system in Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL. So we have developed this project in Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL. For a Spring Boot side, we have used JPA, Hibernate, and EJB. For MySQL, we are using MySQL version 5.6. For JDK, we are using JDK 1.8, and for Angular, we are using Angular version 8. Right, so these all technology stacks we are using. For front end, we are using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the Angular library also we have used. Right. For IDE, we have used STS, means Spring Boot tool suits for Spring Boot application development. Right. And for Angular application, we have used Visual Studio Code for developing Angular application development. Right. So these IDEs we have used for developing it. Right. So let's start with the functionality, go through that what we have implemented, what we have developed inside this project. Right. So the project title is Bookshop Management System, and this is an admin driven application. There is no customer, client, or any type of users login, because admin can log in and admin can perform certain operations inside this project. Right, only admin can log in. So once you run this project, then you will get this page, login page, which we have developed with using the Angular. There are two types of UI available inside this project. The first one is a login, and second one is a uh, admin. Right. So admin and login UI are different. There are two type of layouts we have implemented. Right. So once you run this project, then you can access this UI on the port 4200. So we are using port 4200 for Angular and port 8080 for Spring Boot. Right. So once you run this project, then this is the username and password. So the username is amit@gmail.com and password is test. Once you log inside the system, you will get this dashboard. Here you can perform certain operations, right? You can start the sales order report, add the product, means book, product report, add company, company report, add category, category report, and log out. So these operations you can perform. This page will be accessible only at the admin login. Without admin login, you will not be able to access this page. So this is the start cells. Once you click on the start cells, then it will ask you customer name and the password, mobile number. You can add any of the customer name, like I am adding J and the customer mobile number. Once you click on the start cell, then you will get the sales dashboard. Here in this drop down, you will get all of the books, right? So this one handbook and quantity one add. So you can add any number of books here, right? And the total amount will be calculated automatically. Right, you can see the amounts are calculating automatically according to the total quantity and total items also. Right, once you click on the delete, then that item will be deleted and the price will be adjusted. Right, so once you perform all of the sales operations, just click on the save sales details. Once you click on this button, then whole information will be saved inside the database and you can access it later also. So this is the cells. So you can see this page details are coming from the database. Right, even you can print it. Right, the order number is 106. Right, so you can access it later also. I will show you. So this is the order report. Once clicking on the order report, you will be able to see all of the orders. So this is the 106 which you have placed earlier. Right, once you click on this arrow icon, you will be able to see the details of all orders which you have added here. Right, you can print it also from here. This is a product report. Product means book. All of the book which you have added in the database will be displayed here. You can perform CRUD application, create, read, update, and delete operations from here. Right. Once you click on the edit, it will open the edit form, and you can update any of the things and you can submit it. Once you update, then the details will be updated into the database also. Even you can delete that. That item has been deleted from the database. This is the add product. From here, you can add the new product. Right, you can see this is the product form and you can add the new product here. Right, this form is total blank form validation, is with the blank form validations. Once you click on the submit, then this information will not be submitted to the API because you have not filled the form. This is a product company report. From here, you can add the company and perform the report operations. Right? This is add company. From here you can add the company details. This is a category to put. From here you can add the categories. Right? You can perform all type of CRUD applications. You can edit and you can update. Right? This is the add category. From here you can perform the add the new categories. Right? I am adding new category. Submit. So you can see this has been added. If you want to delete, just click on the delete and that will be deleted from the database. So this category and the company will come inside the add product section. This drop down will contain the values which is coming from the database, right? This is a dynamic drop down. The last thing is the logout. Once you click on the logout, all of the session will be destroyed and you will not be able to access the internal pages because those are admin restricted, right? So logout. So you can see you has been redirected to the login page. But if you log in, then you will be able to access the internal functionalities. Right. So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project bookshop management system. And as I told you earlier, this is a Java, Spring Boot, Angular, and MySQL based application. If you need any extra functionality, any extra feature in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.